Hey guys, welcome back to the engineering video website and to my final video. As I'm filming this, I currently have one more day of class left and then I get to write my final exams. And since I nearly have a year of experience under my belt, I feel like I probably have some pretty valuable advice that I can give you for your transition from high school to university. So one of the first pieces of advice that I want to give you is to use your resources as much as possible when you come to university. If you watched one of my previous videos, I mentioned going to office hours and talking to your professors can be a really helpful way to nail concepts down and really get everything really clear in your head. And this is something that I think is invaluable because I've done it a few times and it solidifies pretty much everything you've learned. And I suggest doing this probably with at least all of your professors at least once a semester. And this is also a really good way to get to know your professors outside of the learning environment, and it's a really good way to utilize your resources when you do come to university. Second piece of advice that I think you probably already know, but I think it bears worth repeating. University is what you make it. And by that I mean you should probably look into ways that you can get involved when you come to university, because I know if you're looking into engineering, you probably already study a lot, especially if you're in engineering science like I am, you study more than anybody you know. And it's so easy to come to university and just spend all your time studying, spend all your time in the library. But even if you just join a group like Engineers Without Borders or join like a varsity sports team, knowing that you're going to see them throughout the week, get to know people outside the classroom, that just makes everything so much more enjoyable when you come to university. And the last piece of advice that I want to give you is come to university with an open mind. Before I came to university, I knew I was like, I'm totally going to go into biomedical engineering. I know that's what I want to do. And now things have changed and I'm actually looking at some other options. And with that, I also, I think it's important to know that you shouldn't let the little things like get you worried, get you down. If you focus on the big picture, you will be so much happier when you come to engineering. So I hope these videos have been really helpful and that my final pieces of advice help you make the transition from high school to university. And I hope you are looking forward to coming to the University of Toronto in the fall.